Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today we're going to make something very easy but absolutely al bacio, delicious. I'm going to make a fillet steak with mushroom and mashed potato. What we need, I'll show you. Ask your butcher a nice beef fillet steak. I'm gonna use this is gonna be my dinner. Some mushrooms, butter, salt, pepper and garlic. That's it. This is what we need. My pan is already on because I need very hot, okay? And we start to cook the fillet, beef fillet. Add some oil and butter. I recommend you if you want. You know? And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, guys, fillet in. Well, before we put the fillet, we season it a little bit. Salt, just simple. Salt. And pepper. This later depend which way you like the steak. Blue, red, medium red, well done, is up to you. I like medium red, gonna be around 4 minutes per side, but we touch the meat and we're gonna be more precise later. Okay, now we could medium low, steak in. We're gonna add some butter. I'm gonna chop my mushroom just like that. And I'm gonna cook this mushroom just with butter, salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil. That's it. This they cook in 7-8 minutes maximum, okay? Okay, I turn on this. I wait a little bit of the pan, gonna be very hot, and I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? Okay guys, here are the same oil, touch of butter, mushroom inside, and now in 2-3 minutes they're gonna cool down a little bit, and we're gonna add some salt and pepper. If you have some, I'm gonna add the garlic. If you have some garlic powder, you can, it's not bad, okay? See you later when we're gonna flip the fillet. Flip over the fillet, like that. If you have a spoon, you can start to do something like this. Now this is not the best. You know? The mushroom, they're almost done. Okay, I leave the fillet to cook because just we flip over just now. They need another 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna show you when it's good for me. I have already my mashed potato here, just a little bit. Gonna be absolutely delicious. Okay guys, this is my taste. I feel very good. Now we take the steak and we leave it to rest at least 5-6 minutes, and later we're gonna cut it and we're gonna try it, okay? Gonna be absolutely al bacio. Okay guys, my steak is rest enough. I'm so hungry, but I will show you how beautiful it is. Even is a little bit over, to be honest, but spot on. Absolutely delicious, guys. Well, what I want to say, later I'm gonna prepare a nice plate with mashed potato and mushroom. My beef fillet steak is this. Always, guys, If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!